I have been made alive in Christ. He was raised up from the dead. I was raised up with him. I'm seated with him. In heavenly places. I have received his resurrection life. Resurrection life is energizing my spirit, my soul, and my body. Resurrection life is working in my body now. I'm getting stronger every day. My eyes are seeing clearer. My ears are hearing better. My mind is functioning stronger. My bones, my organs, my nerves, my ligaments, my joints, my heart, my lungs, my brain, my blood is being supercharged with the resurrection life of God. No disease can touch me. No sickness can enter my body. I'm crucified with Christ. Nevertheless I live. Yet not I, but Christ lives in me. And the life I now live in the flesh, I live by faith of the Son of God who loved me and gave himself for me. The same Spirit that defeated death, defeated hell, defeated the grave, is living in me now. The same Spirit that raised Jesus from the dead is in me. The same Spirit. I said the same Spirit. Resurrection life is making alive my mortal flesh. The resurrection life of Jesus is made manifest in my body. Now, right now, Jesus is alive. So am I.